It doesn't matter if you get 1 view or 1,000,000 views. Once you get into the YouTube Partner Program, YouTube will pay you for uploading videos. Yeah, it's simple, it's easy, and you could do it too. And that's what this video is all about. Hello everyone, my name is Nick and welcome back to Finance with Nick. Now on this channel, we go over absolutely everything that has to deal with money. Whether it's making it, whether it's investing, whether it's passive income, all of it. So if you like videos like that, definitely consider hitting that subscribe button. We got a lot of good content coming out. And if you learned anything from this video, I mean anything, help me out those YouTube guys and hit that like button. All right, let's get into the video. All right, getting paid from YouTube. Now there's a lot of different ways where you can get money from your YouTube videos, whether it's affiliate marketing, whether it's selling products, whether it's selling subscriptions, but that's not what we're going to talk about in this video. In this video, we're going to talk about how to get paid directly from YouTube. Now, in order to get paid from YouTube, you need to meet 2 separate qualifications. Now, the first being that you need 1,000 subscribers. There needs to be 1,000 people out there that hit that subscribe button for your YouTube channel. Now, the second and final qualification is that you need 4,000 hours or 240,000 minutes of watch time. That means if someone watches your 10-minute video, but they only watch it for 1 minute, you're only going to get 1 minute of watch time. Now, from my experience, from these 2 thresholds, you tend to hit the subscriber threshold first, and then the watch time comes later. For my latest channel that I just got monetized, I was around 1,500 subscribers before I crossed over that 4,000 hour watch time threshold. Now, something to note is that you will not get back pay for your previous videos for those previous views. So anything you did prior to getting monetized on YouTube, it's in the past. It just doesn't even matter anymore. You will only get paid for the views moving forward. So once you reach these 2 thresholds, you will apply for the YouTube Partner Program. Now, the first step to applying to the YouTube Partner Program is to read their terms and conditions. Now, it is a very dry read, but it is very important that you look at every single sentence. It is very important that you understand the specific opportunity that YouTube is giving you. It's important to understand what's expected of you, what's expected of YouTube, the royalty split. Like, it's important to understand everything. Do not go into this blindly. So make sure to read every single sentence and understand it. And then once you are finished with that, you scroll down and click accept. Now, the second step after you reviewed the terms and conditions is to sign up for Google Adsense. Now, Google Adsense is the actual way that you're going to get paid. This is where Google funnels out all of the money. Now, you're just going to go to the Adsense homepage, and then you're going to click Get Started and sign in with your Google account. And then the next step is to add the URL in which you want to put ads on. So since it's a YouTube channel, you're going to put in your YouTube link. Now, after that, you're going to fill out all of the basic information. You're going to fill out your name, your address, your banking information, because this is important because they know where to send the money, your payment method, also your tax, your tax information. Yeah, you got to pay taxes. You always got to pay taxes on earnings. So you got to put in your tax information. Now, filling out all this stuff is very simple, very easy, very straightforward. It just takes a little bit of time. And then after that, you are also going to review the terms and conditions for AdSense specifically. Again, make sure you read this so you can understand the process of getting paid. And then after that, you're going to click submit and then start using Google AdSense. Now, once you finish those 2 first steps, the third is automatically implemented. And the third step is to get reviewed by YouTube. Now, they're going to review everything on your YouTube channel. They're going to see whether you're in compliance with all of their community guidelines. They're going to see what kind of content you're producing. So for this, you don't have any control over any of it. YouTube is essentially just going to review it, and there's nothing that you can change. There's no proposal that you have to do. It's just you sit back and you wait. Now, they do say when you're filling out all this stuff on the desktop browser is that it takes up to 1 month for them to review your channel. But in my experiences, it's a lot faster. Now, if you're on your phone, on the YouTube Studio app, and this is after you submitted and you applied for everything, it says that it takes up to a week to review your YouTube channel. So it might just be dependent on your channel and how much review needs to go into it. But for the most part, it's pretty quick. I also just think this is YouTube's way of just covering its butt, because just in case there's a backlog of channels trying to get reviewed and it might take a little bit longer. Kind of like with the restaurants, I feel like restaurants overestimate the time that you have to wait. Like it's an hour wait, but then when you get in at 30 minutes, you're pretty stoked. It's better that way than the other way. But just so you get a perfect understanding of my experiences, is that when I applied, I got approved 4 days after my application. Now my application was on a Tuesday and I did get approved on a Monday. So I don't know whether it would have got approved faster if it wasn't the weekend, but in my last experience of getting a channel monetized, it only took 4 days. Now, once you get approved, it'll show up as an email. If you go to the Creator Studio on your desktop browser, it'll be a pop-up. If you're on the YouTube Studio iPhone app or any mobile device app, it will show under the monetization tab that you are officially in the YouTube Partner Program. So no matter where you go, it will tell you that you are approved. Now, once you're approved in the YouTube Partner Program, you will have the opportunity to monetize your videos through ads and then also through YouTube Premium. You will get support from the YouTube team via chat and then also email. And then lastly, you can explore YouTube's other monetization opportunities. Now, getting approved to monetize your videos doesn't automatically monetize all of your videos. Now, you can go video by video and click the monetization button. But if you are on the desktop app for the first time when you're logging in after you've been approved, there should be a window that pops up that asks you if you want to monetize all of your videos, and click yes. That way you do not have to go video by video, which will take a minute. But either way it works, just one is faster than the other. Now you can also choose what type of ads are on your videos, whether they're skippable, non-skippable, the banner, what, like there's a lot of different ads that you can choose. And for the most part, you should pick pretty much all of them. And also at the bottom, it does say that if your video is 8 minutes or longer, that you do qualify for ads in the middle of the video. So if it's under 8 minutes, they're only gonna show ads at the beginning and possibly the end. But if it's longer than 8 minutes, you will get an ad right in the middle, which is more money for you, baby. Now, I did do a video on this part specifically. Check it out right there. But on average, for every 1,000 views that you get on your YouTube video, you get paid between $4 and $5. So if you get 1 million views on your next video, YouTube will pay you between $4,000 and $5,000. That's fantastic. And that's definitely the highest out of all the social platforms out there. All right, and that's it. That is my step-by-step guide on how to monetize your YouTube channel. Now, if you have any questions on anything that I said in this video, you can either hit me up in the email in the description or just drop a comment. I will get to everything. Now, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. If you're still here, definitely hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.